How are we all doing today? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new in this channel, please consider to subscribe. Subscribe. Follow me on my Facebook. I have a Facebook. It's the same name, Kai Report. I would like us to discuss something very crucial, very important about Mazi Nnamudi Kanu. Many people don't understand the reason why huge number of people love Mazi Nnamudi Kanu. When he started, people don't believe him. People were doubting him. People think that he's crazy, he's this, he's that. But today, everybody is in line with Mazi Nnamudi Kanu because mostly everything I've said have come to fulfillment. It is easy to like, to be firm. It is very easy for us to like, achievement of someone. But what the person went through to achieve that, nobody wants to talk about it. Igbo people are special. Special in the sense that we are not the type of people that follows people because you are saying something or maybe because you are handsome, you are beautiful, no, or because of your money, no. There's something that everybody needs to understand, especially those who want to be like Mazi Nnamudi Kanu, because you cannot be like Mazi Nnamudi Kanu by dressing like him, trying to use his tone of words, his choice of words, trying to walk like him, demonstrating maybe you gesture, your body language, just like him. No. There's one thing everybody needs to understand, especially those who want to be like him. Being like him is not dressing like him or talking like him, no. But to have the love that people have on Mazi Nnamudi Kanu, you need to get some characters, you need to get some qualities, you need to possess some, special behavior that will attract people to like you the way people like Mazi Nnamudi Kanu today. Some people are trying to group Simon Ekpa and Mazi Nnamudi Kanu in the same category. Yes, anybody who does that is right. I will tell you why. Mazi Nnamudi Kanu is somebody who is not looking for riches. He's not struggling in life to become somebody. He's already made financially, made in everything, anything you can think of. He's living in UK. He's a British citizen. He's working there. Not only he's working, he has his own company there in UK before starting agitating. So it is not because of money that bring him to the limelight. No, he's agitating because of the way things are going in Nigeria and in Africa. So he have this kind of idea of what he wants. So he abandoned mostly everything that he's doing, all the good life that he's living with his family, everything. He abandoned them just to agitate. Whereas some people who want to be like him are not even, fulfilled in life. They are not even, getting to that level to fulfill their potential. They want to be, a freedom fighter for them to become rich. Whereas Mazi Nnamudi Kanu abandoned his riches to become a freedom fighter. So people knows those things. So if you want to be like him, the question is, where are you coming from? What angle are you? Are you agitating because of the benefit that you get? Or are you willing to lose what you have to agitate? So these are things you need to understand about Mazi Nnamudi Kanu. So we need to understand the difference between agitating to be rich and abandon your riches to agitate. Now, the issue of Simon Ekpa. Simon Ekpa is not somebody who is struggling in life as well. He have anything he wants. He's living in a good environment. He has his freedom. He has his family. He's not trying to, favor you or to make you feel to join a certain group who will give him visa to go to Europe. Like many people who are, spreading rumors and propagandas, are hoping to get from those who gave them the, information to lie about. You know what I'm talking about. So I must not call everything by its name, but use your brain to understand what I'm trying to say. Simon Ekpa is not begging for food. He has his work. He has his profession. He abandoned those things agitate for his people, just like Mazi Nnamudi Kanu. And Mazi Nnamudi Kanu is not something that is not somebody that has this kind of restriction about himself or reserve. That he want to be. Let me fight. Let me agitate so that when the Biafra comes, I will become president. No, he's very very open. That is where the love of people comes from. People love him not because he can talk very well or maybe the way he dress. No, but look at what he has done. You that are watching me, are you willing? Do you think if you have the opportunity that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have, that you will do the same? Can you sacrifice what you have sacrificed so far? The answer is no. That is just the truth. Are you lying to yourself? No, because we all know the truth. Like me, I can't do it. So everybody knows their level. You know your category. You know what you can offer. You know what you can do. So you don't, gain people's love. Igbo people in particular, you don't win love of Igbos because of this kind of material things. No, but the genuine love, every average Igbo person can dictate when you are honest about what you said you are doing. That is why today, people that are fighting Saboteur, claiming to support Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, are the number one hypocrites that I have ever seen. The reason is because Saboteur is doing exactly the same thing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu does. If you follow Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, for years, you understand what I'm saying. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not somebody that have this kind of mentality of one Nigeria that let's just build Kaaba and win and make money and advance. No, that thing that you think that he will get or he will gain by building Kaabas to favor one certain group and abandon the other group and do this, he already have it. That money that you think that you can give, he have it. Mazi Nnamdi is not a poor man. He's not a poor man. Samoba is not a poor man. That is why you see today, people in Nigeria, people, not even Igbos, are in love with him. Because the truth must be told. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is someone who is willing to give you what you are looking for, the freedom that you want. Not only for the Igbos, he even have the good ambition and agenda for Yorubas and Hausas, and even Fulanis. But the problem is that nobody want to let loose, you understand? So people can now have what they want and be what you want to be. The best way to be a Muslim is to be a Muslim in a Muslim society. The best way to be a Christian is to be a Christian in Christian society. You cannot, practice your Muslim the way you want it to be in the midst of other religions, because what you want to bring this Sharia law and everything. That is for Muslims. So you cannot have that kind of thing in the midst of a community or a country that that is combined with other religions like Christianity and Orthodox religions or even traditional religions. So you have to build this kind of freedom for yourself to practice whatever you want to practice. That is what everybody needs to understand.